Yo, I have four. I am good morning, good morning. They say Nyamiatom. Nipa bi mu a ɛne ade nti. Oboy Randy Hunye. Mr. Clement. Nyame nhyira wo paa. Mo comment sɛ yɛnhwɛ ne na no ho nto. Nyame adom. Ɛnɛ deɛ ɛyɛ. Waba studio. Ɛgya yɛwɔ editing bench. Oboy, biribi ayɛ okay. Mata kasa yie ne gya deɛ ɔyɛ no. Ɛne se o ka kyerɛ te sɛ o se na wɔ wa na ade pra twitwa so o ho yɛ o yɛ sure so o ho yɛ sɔre na yɛ tiri na me hɛ kɔto pono nim ɛgye sɛ de o ho yɛ ɛgye sɛ waba sɛ ɔsɛ bɛdi etani anaasɛ sɛ o yare no aha saa nti deɛ na wo fans na ɔmo hwɛ mfiri wɔ boy Randy hɔ ada na wo wate a ɔyɛ stop but who camera sisi asa wo fɛre no no siaw mensa wɔ se hi obi ma hi nti wo so ma ne hi on fɛre na sɛ ɔfɛre ɛgye zere mo hu sɛ ɔbɔ ho yɛ mo a mo ba mo ni namba ni nyinaa yɛ sɛ nyame adom ne ho yɛ ebi mo support ebi mo so de ɔmo mpa ɛbɔ ebi so de ɔmo comment nyame nhyira mu nyinaa agya yɛ nyinaa yɛn fɛ ne nyɛpɛ nyinaa ntimi nyɛpɛ nti nyame nhyira mu ɔbɔ ha na mo ma ha yɛ o aha obi Abdallah say stop the disturb o disturb we te jai eti my fans nhunu ohun ɛyɛ den ana wotimi ba into acting oba acting mo dey pa na de obem aha Randy kasa kɛse na ɔmo ntie o nyame abɔnten hɔ na ayɛ mrof na o ka kyɛ me sɛ hwɛ sɛ o sa kuta phone de yɛ kɔ atwan yi sɛ nkum sɛ na akasa kasa kɛse ɔboy Randy my fans ne nte sɛ ɛyɛ den ɛna ɔba into acting aha aha nese wo hɔ a wo papa damfo ne AKWASI TV ana AKWASI TV hunu wo sɛ de osi ni di agoro no oti ha na wai wa no mmerɛ o hia ma bonten pastor osi yɛ me rough no a wo hu camera wo yɛ yi ɔyɛ rough kɛkɛ eti wo twam da koro ana wo de ma me fa yi ni to no mu hu manim yi ai TV ni Oboy Randy papa ɛyɛ madam for pa yɛ di agro fin kura brema na yɛ di yɛ eti na my imagine some de be yɛ because who me wɔyɛ me rough fucking eti one day yɛ twa ana me busa na asɛm ana wɔyɛ me rough na yɛ ti say ɛne yɛ mfa ne room ɛ ana yɛ twa ne first shoot yɛ kinky ne die ne ti ne first shoot ana yɛ kinky ni die na okoto kinky de bre cat okoto kinky de bre 80 na cat so gina ho a was won so man na oboy edi ye nti that was the first shooter or yeah what you say oh madam ade that's what about big name so dey ko interview ya nti yeah I remember Oboy Randy at the bar into acting. Ana oba ene so nyame adom ade na ye hu wo ye ni so no ana sa adwene edwene wo no ho no ekoso enkakra nyame adom ekoso enkakra ai mo messages ni nyina ye won say mama K is my sister. Oh okay, yati ase ai na obisi say I'm watching you live from Emirates, Dubai. Yeah, that's it. Kusi Isaac. Aye. Na mo mo de say mo be share Akwasi TV enwuma ye nyina na de ba. Mo subscribe, mo man crofo so enhunu de ye so se ye pese mo nyina mo ni je. Ani nti ana Oboy Randy. Yeah, ye using on na mo no so me big star. Mo twitwa na videos no mfanya mo status. Any ade. Through that, ono so betina be ye big star. Say Nigerians ni wo mo Manuela. Ghana, you can also have Oboy Randy. What do you say? And yes, Rema, mon support Oboy Randy. No, so my yes, a big star na. Ye person way na. Ana Oboy on person obey. Presla, also so from Austria. Okay. Mami K in Yana. Oba so a big star. Somewhere I'm watching from UK. Eh, when you have mobile money news soon. Day. Oboy Randy na unya mobile money. Unya. Eba obeje. Eba obeje ohu. What it? Oboy Randy say eba obeje. Anyame adom te say ye bompa en kaka na no ni ko school. Yesre mu muntu ne fo. Ni school sem so o ye rough wo ho. Na no me ko school, me di ne ko school. O ya rewie na ye ko school no. Ne comment na me kote no mesre mu muntu ne fo ma me. Fo ni mbra. Oboy me pesa o fans no wani gi school ho wo pe school wo pe school etidi enti na wo pesa o be ko school so on se menya wo ade we de mema ye tedi aji pe wo I say big ups to Oboy Randy from Dansuma and that may Allah protect you all from your nice comedy and those stars. Okay. Oboy Randy ni okay. Eti Oboy oba acting mo so ede na wo hunu. Say na o ma anu mo ye adwuma no say na wo si hunu. Oboy kasa kese na ma fa amon fi amfa camera na chi. Kasa kese na wutimi kasa kese pa. Ede na wo hunu. O ma anu mo ye adwuma ni ade ade. De na obeka che o fans. Kasa Obo wakasa ewi ati se die na yemfa mmoa wo a wani beji school ho kan obi anti ma fans ni nyina hu die na yemfa mmoa wo ba mu wani agi school ho obi si the sound is low Obo yo kasa no wo fom kasa kese die na yemfa mmoa wo na wani beji school ho Charles Akwasi Obrempon o se yen kan je o se wo set so a jai serie no o actia ye serious en sresre yenim se serie ya agro ene ade ne ye de but when you are seriously working na ma wani mbre na serious mensre na ma ro na emfase de enye den what let's go back to what we were talking about. Say, again, na yan fan support wa when ibeji school ho. Kana fans no hu na bia na obi be send new school bag, obi be send new textbooks. Ujina say, okay, ujina say. Oboy kasa kese e. Ade we drew school some no pass o bra so no. Ujina say. BS4, class 4. Ara o kasa o say. so waza don't say what that part daddy oh say class 4 Oboy kasa kese na say ya na o set no so you say ya na o set no so yes yeah serious and o can obi see or agree with Charles o set no so yeah na o sere saa ubetimi ayade no but o de say dey bra so ya te yetu no fo tie ni nyina ani nti na match what na say wo ho ye comment na ekọ ni nyina akọma o so wo class 4 okay anti class 4 Oboy eden na uhia aba mu wani agi school hu mo acting ne de na me adom ye de wo ba ye mfa onkofefa ba bi basabasa bia e ma onkwankwa anti acting ne de you rest assured den na uhia aba mu wani agi school hu na no comment na me koti wo school mu no me nsa anti bi and the onye sa adi ni bi minim sa me ne o madam for na kokasa me say eden na ohia kana fancy ni obi na obi be send you school bag obi be send you chop money obi be send you textbooks obi be send you mpaboa what you say enti die na ohia kana mintie hey crash ya is serious ahefo so wo ohima wasti we hin o ma he ne banade a wo ye de na ohia kana menti we nya me keka school bag na me say de be mu wani agi school hu obi si minka nje ose mu wani mbri school sa wo hweso na se school no wani nye ho a ka adwuma apani enfa nkoto adwuma ni school pede hin upe school adwuma ni school upe school okay yani wo so upe school no yate eti edi ene die na wo hia be ebetimi am wani agi school no yen support we dey because acting in the AKWASI TV is taking care of that way, and I said in that one no AKWASI TV afar to no so say baby a your acting career na nyame do bedru bia no ye de wo ko me won kora tu ba ko ho ata ono so ni videos na am hwe maye enche mekwa akofo ono so aba ono so eba be kana asem ati ase eti Oboy omutie o Kamas for belt in the brim. So one kasakesi I make sure bet power ha. Kamas man belt. O rough no shama bonti awo ye ne kan o mu hu.
The book I want na answer the bot time.
Eh wo so say wa adwene nye.
We answer bet the India. Your fan bet o.
Obi so mimi pay engine bet. Eni nyina de bo eye. Jonathan ya da se pa greeting straight to the plug ete o fie ya de ugbo hu kura no watie se o hu se ye sisi aha obebe sisi e wa around me da se and the talent na na ehwe why Desmond o talent ye dey what do match dey nyame dey ma ye dey what do match dey Mami ke wo feel obeba oh Oboy run the talk louder kasakese e osu usana dey
acting ana manager so na go pa bwana na tina ba acting tinesra mu
and I'm say acting career there AKWASI TV yafa a series ye planning wo dem mu bia no we main character and I say we lead role ye on tu maata ana Oboy Randy these kids are amazing when it comes to acting. Into acting career there. But I say, please tell Mami K that I have named my daughter after her because she is so beautiful. My daughter is called Mami Konedu Miriam. Oh wow. Jonathan. Mate, Obeti. What it was Asunaba Simin Ganyo the Randy Semansa boy. Also was a penny sakwada. It is a promise of fans and they say Ubeko school no. Ubeko school no seriously. Ube take school no serious because they say no all the unti na Sundays yecha. Sebe ya affect you school days. Sebe ya ubeko school yecha Fridays. It's Friday na no pano uko school. Ewi ano beto na se yetwa nwie ya ubetwa. They say unti ya de one day aka ho ye Sunday because em pese be affect you school no ho hia. Sebe ya obete brofo. Na watimi aka brofo a kire wo fans ana meboa. What you say? Asonaba na abeka na education first. And until you empese bibia be affect school because you name the school no esitie and you name the aya amaye. Nye school no kure bia ka ye ntimi emiemia phone yi so enye life yi ma omo so e wo ama no no nyede ehu into school ni very serious. First na me no ko school mo ho no. Comment na me kote ne chese se ma hwe yi a obedience mo me pese obedience mo enti promise wo fans ne say obeko school no aba be that big star they want you to be omo support omo comment omo sharing ni nyina no enye kwa you will become that big star in future. You betimi a feature in the English movies, you betimi a feature Hollywood ni Bollywood ni ade promise wo kasa kese be say obia se kasa kese o mbezo obe kasa kese kebu ninie wan kasa kese a me de beto no mo ne me ya adwene Money me ya adwene. Wala money me ya adwene amonka. Kebu ni nie. Wakasa kesi amede back no. Ana wanko school no say Ete didn't take his education when he was a child. Hey, asura bedi na Ete di ayo. Oni has also who say no. What Oboy was it talk obi di ni data na ehwe. Onkasa. Memfa nto no. That's one so agree. That's one so me ya adwene so wan kasa kesi amemfa nto. Ho abio. Punu anya punu mi yera me ba so oba be kasa. Ho abio ne me ya adwene. So me ye data na streaming. Now wo akra kato ato o ye rough. Enie. What you see me ma I should give you one beat and a belt. Beat and a belt. Jonathan emu de here. Hey! Just a way to agree, I would disagree. I did know a yard in the Biana. I should give him one belt. Also, Mama, Casacas. I do a dear new, a beer to meet now. I did. Oh, as soon as I say Casani. Obekasa. Casa. Now we shall have Bantia and Rough. Casa. Okay, yeah, we go back to Oboy Randy. Oboy. Oboy. Me say promise of fans and they say Obeko school no be that great man now person you know.
For me promise me say school no me be be see me this. Local school no. Continue say me. Na ma be big star na go person me. Na me be aboa Ghana fa na aboa yin na. Madam say some aboa me. me school ko. Me be a me be a mo one. Damas. I mean she a mo.
Hey. Okay. Teze dia na ofere. Mferi bibia. Na me no ti ha ne sei na akasa. Oba ye na obegbo mu na ubisa me ne say ohye ho no. Sa na akasa hai.
Sana isa o so. Bana mbo.
Aha.
Na me die gate.
Enura na obeji kokosika no. Enura na ababeji kokosika na. Ananya enura na ababeji kokosika no. Enura. Oba ye na uzaje wa mu jaja ohye soro ho. Aha. Na u kan say na akasa hai. Anya fe no recover wa recover da na no so tripod no. Afe na recover. Ana ho ato. Eti ahwefo ye damase pa ani mo supporter mo de support Oboy Randy mo de support 80 the plug support cat ade akusika ani wono ka ho ne kese AKWASI TV na me share mo pa they say your viewers na perform omo hwe videos no na me share mo ti e besa aba bio e besa aba. Thank you, Jonathan. That's Namishamo. Yeah, or no Feriadi. Eh? Nipo Feriadi any. Nipana Ferro no Musu Moon. Adriana Bepana pe. A mutu any day. A mutu any more. Hey, who you okay? Any abenkwa na azen katikwa. Eh? Moti. Ne mutu ni ayo na wo ye o best food. Aha, me say. Uwe mutu ni ayo na ye o best food.
Best food by ni ayo na
Randy. Me busa o sana ka mutu ni ayo na ye o best food. Mutu ni ayo na ye o best food. Okay, Mati. Oh, enya hwe. So me de me